What's up guys, Evan here, and right now or today I'm doing just single player, and I'm doing survival. Let's name this world Evan. Mode options, game mode, okay. So I don't really play on this that much. I don't play single player. I haven't played it in like, say, about a year. But I want to get back to this, okay? So let's get started. Okay. So let's get some wood. Let's get this wood going. So each episode will be about 10 minutes. Okay. And yeah, we'll see how far we can get on this and see if this series lasts or stops. Okay. So first on the agenda is make a house. So let's get some wood. And my birthday is coming up, guys, so I will get here, let's get the same wood. I will get a capture cam and everything, so better camera angles and stuff. And I really hope you guys enjoy this series and subscribe for more content. So I honestly don't know what game mode I'm playing on. Really haven't played this that much. Don't know where to. Okay, let's play on normal. Now, let's make pickaxe. I'm gonna get some stone. Okay, now let's make ourselves an axe. And let's keep getting our wood. This first episode is gonna be called Getting Wood. Guys, I'm not kidding, actually it will be, because yeah, I'm getting wood, so let's see how far we can get onto this. If I die, I'll probably end the series, and I'll probably die pretty soon. So if I can't find my stuff, I'll end this series. But Okay, so let's just start out with the base of our house for now. We'll live with this, and when we run out, let's get move on. Okay, so I don't like it that we we spawned on a little island, and I don't want to make a boat right now. So yeah. And I also will need some food, so let's get that food. Okay, so now that we've reached land, we gotta find a good spot to live in. Okay. Oh, I thought it was just lag. Oh, I thought it was actually real. Okay. Where are the animals? Horsies. Lag. Okay. Let's kill them. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to kill you, horsey. Sad, sad. Sad, 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 sad day. It's still there. Okay, so I'm gonna run out of hunger soon, so I don't know what to do. I gotta find the animals, I guess, pretty fast. Chicken! 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 Oh, chicken, you're so fine, you're so fine. I'm taking the risk. Yay, I didn't get poisoned. Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to set up shop today. I'm going to have some food. Or I can slash feed, but wait, my chat's not working. It's not good. Plus, I don't want to sheep. It's Chicken Land! Woo! Holy crap. It's a crap ton of chickens at my disposal. Yum, delicious. I don't want to cook them right now, so I'm taking 4 risks. Yeah, okay. Let's not move for 30 seconds. And I think this is, oh, yeah. Okay, I've actually landed on Chicken Land. And this is awesome. Okay, so better take one more risk. Yay. Okay, so actually, with the time being, I'm gonna have to end this episode. I'm sorry, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll get to mining and building our house in the next episode. I'll see you guys later.